So all we do is undo our cover and we actually place our lid in these screw holes here. It's only a few centimetres off centre, not enough to affect the drone in flight, but what it allows you to do now is to see the LED quite easily flashing away inside the drone, which is difficult to see with the cover on it. So at this point I go over to the remote controller, flick this up and down quickly until I get a solid yellow light inside. Once I get the solid yellow light inside, pick up the drone, and what we want to do is keep it flat, but we want to rotate it around slowly, 360. And what we're looking for is the LED to change from a yellow light to a solid green light. And you'll see that that light in there now is solid green instead of yellow. So we will now nose the aircraft down and we will go around again. So keep the nose facing towards the ground. The gimbal is going to go crazy at this point. Just let it do its thing. It should only take a couple of rotations. And what we're looking for is that green light to start flashing. So as we come around now, you can see there's a flash on there. So we'll put it down. And that's the compass calibration complete. We do recommend to disconnect the battery after compass calibration. The instructions don't actually note this, but we always reboot after calibration and the flight computer resets and takes all that new information on board. Again, make sure those wires are tucked down the back. At this stage you can put your lid on properly.